If you've been searching for technology careers that don't require years of programming experience, you've probably come across one job over and over again: Salesforce Administrator. Many people say it's one of the best entry points into tech. Some claim you can work remotely. Others talk about six-figure salaries, and you've probably seen advertisements promising you can become a Salesforce admin in just a few months. So what's actually true? What does a Salesforce administrator really do? Do you need a computer science degree? Do you have to know how to code? How difficult is the certification? And what does it actually take to land your first Salesforce job? Today, we're breaking down everything you need to know about becoming a Salesforce administrator, from learning the platform to getting your first job. Let's get started. Before we talk about becoming a Salesforce administrator, let's first understand what Salesforce actually is. Salesforce is one of the world's largest customer relationship management platforms, often called a CRM. Business use it to organize customer information, track sales, manage customer service, automate business processes, and improve communication across departments. Instead of having customer information spread across spreadsheets, emails, and notebooks, Salesforce keeps everything in one secure system. Companies of all sizes use Salesforce: small businesses, hospitals, banks, insurance companies, retail organizations, manufacturers, universities, government agencies, and Fortune 500 companies. That widespread adoption has created enormous demand for professionals who know how to manage the platform. Think of the Salesforce administrator as the person who keeps the system running smoothly. They don't usually build software from scratch. Instead, they customize Salesforce to meet a company's needs. A typical day may include creating user accounts, managing permissions, building reports, creating dashboards, automating workflows, configuring business processes, helping employees solve system issues, training users, testing new features, and maintaining data quality. They're part technology professional, part problem solver, and part business consultant. Their goal is making Salesforce easier and more efficient for everyone who uses it. One of the biggest advantages of this career is versatility. Salesforce isn't limited to technology companies. Healthcare organizations use it, banks use it, universities use it, manufacturing companies use it, retail businesses use it, insurance companies use it, government agencies use it, nonprofit organizations use it. Because Salesforce is used across so many industries, Salesforce administrators have opportunities in nearly every sector of the economy. That creates excellent career flexibility. One of the biggest questions people ask is, do I need a computer science degree? The answer is, not necessarily. Many successful Salesforce administrators have backgrounds in business, marketing, healthcare, education, finance, customer service, sales, military service, or completely unrelated careers. Employers often care more about your Salesforce knowledge, problem-solving skills, certifications, and practical experience than your specific degree. That's one reason Salesforce attracts so many career changers. Here's some good news. Most Salesforce administrators don't spend their day writing computer code. Salesforce is designed as a low-code or no-code platform. Many tasks involve clicking, configuring, and customizing rather than traditional programming. That doesn't mean technical skills aren't important. You'll still need to understand business processes, logic, and system configuration. Some professionals eventually learn coding languages used within the Salesforce ecosystem, but you can absolutely begin as a Salesforce administrator without becoming a software developer. So where should you begin? The first step is learning Salesforce itself. Become comfortable with navigation, objects, fields, reports, dashboards, user management, automation, security, data management, and business processes. Don't rush. Spend time understanding how businesses actually use the platform. Learning the why behind each feature is just as important as learning where to click. Once you've learned the basics, the next goal is earning the Salesforce Administrator certification. This certification demonstrates that you understand the platform and can manage it effectively. Preparing for the exam usually involves studying platform features, practicing inside Salesforce, and completing hands-on exercises. Many employers specifically look for this certification when hiring entry-level Salesforce professionals. Think of it as your first major milestone, not your final destination. One of the biggest mistakes beginners make is collecting certifications without gaining experience. Employers want more than exam scores. They want proof that you can actually use Salesforce. Practice by building your own sample projects, create dashboards, build reports, automate workflows, configure user roles, import data, solve business problems. The more comfortable you become using Salesforce, the stronger your interviews will be. Experience, even self-created experience, builds confidence. A portfolio can help separate you from other candidates. Document the projects you've completed, show dashboards you've built, explain workflow automations, describe business problems you solved. Walk employers through your thought process. Your portfolio demonstrates practical ability, and that's exactly what hiring managers want to see. A strong portfolio often creates better conversations during interviews than simply listing certifications on a resume. Now let's talk about salary. Entry-level Salesforce administrators often earn between $60,000 and $80,000 annually. Professionals with several years of experience commonly earn between $80,000 and $110,000. Senior administrators, Salesforce consultants, platform managers, solution architects, and Salesforce managers frequently earn well into six figures. Compensation depends on experience, industry, location, certifications, and technical expertise. One of the biggest advantages of Salesforce is the career ladder. Many professionals begin as Salesforce support specialists, junior Salesforce administrators, CRM analysts, or business systems analysts. From there, they may become senior Salesforce administrators, business analysts, Salesforce consultants, developers, solution architects, technical architects, platform managers, or Salesforce practice leaders. The ecosystem offers numerous opportunities for long-term growth. Artificial intelligence is becoming part of nearly every business platform, including Salesforce. AI can automate repetitive tasks, generate reports, suggest workflows, and improve productivity. But businesses still need professionals who understand how their systems should be configured. Every company has unique processes, unique goals, unique security requirements, and unique workflows. Salesforce administrators translate those business needs into working solutions. Technology will change the role, but it's unlikely to eliminate it. Professionals who learn AI tools alongside Salesforce will likely become even more valuable. If you're just getting started, avoid these common mistakes. Don't memorize exam questions without understanding the platform. Don't rely only on certifications. Don't ignore communication skills. Don't expect your first job to be six figures. And don't stop learning after passing one exam. The professionals who succeed continue improving throughout their careers. Consistency matters far more than speed. Salesforce administration is an excellent fit for people who enjoy technology, problem-solving, organization, helping others, business operations, continuous learning, and improving processes. You don't have to love programming, but you should enjoy figuring out how technology can solve business challenges. If that sounds interesting, Salesforce could be an outstanding career path. Salesforce administration has become one of the most accessible paths into the technology industry. It combines business knowledge, technology, communication, and problem-solving into one rewarding career. The platform continues growing across industries, creating opportunities for professionals with the right skills. Start by learning the platform, earn your certification, build projects, create a portfolio, keep learning. And don't be afraid to apply before you feel completely ready. Every experienced Salesforce administrator once logged into Salesforce for the very first time. The only difference is they kept going. Now I'd like to hear from you. Have you considered becoming a Salesforce administrator, or are you already studying for your certification? Leave a comment below and let me know where you are in your journey. And if you're interested in technology careers, healthcare careers, finance careers, skilled trades, salary breakdowns, and career advice, make sure you subscribe to Career Decode. Every week, we break down real careers, real salaries, and real opportunities to help you choose the path that's right for you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.